Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Friday, January 20th or January 30th trading day. Not 20th, 30th trading day. Hope everybody's doing well. Good morning, RNR, MCC, Take, Trader, Bless, Ranger, PDP, Mark, Anna, Ranger, Taco, Dave, Webster, JR, JB, Amp, Mr. Sky, Sleepy, Coast, Troy, MSG. What's going on, guys? Pretty crazy day yesterday. Down 550, up 450. Crazy day. Crazy day. And the metals got poked out of a hole in them, right? Someone popped a bubble, right? And, like someone poked a hole into that little ball there, whatever you call it, metaphorically. But we got about 45 seconds to the open. Let us start the day by what we're doing. Good morning, Lance, David, Carl, John B., Jimmy. Let us pray, guys. Heavenly Father, thank you for this day. Thank you that we made it through this week. And there are parts of people in the world today who made it through the week much, much worse than us in the midst of the things that we personally go through. Help us to remain a heart of gratitude and trust in you. And always being thankful for what you've done for us. May you lead us and guide us today. Blessed be your holy name, Jesus, we pray. Amen. All right, so market's going to open. Right now, we're going to see which way they whip. Okay. We're going to see which way they whip. All right, so yesterday, right now they're trying to whip it back up here. Very interesting. Yesterday, they came 550 points down, only to go all the way up to 23.6. This is very bullish for that day. However, in Asia, it tried to sell the whole thing off, only to get propped up again. So 300-point range even in Asia. Okay, and the metals are getting the bubble popped underneath them. So SLV at 89 right now. Ideally, if it can flush to the 80s area, I'd love to get some kind of dip buy there. All right, little pop. Let's see what we reject here. Okay. Still using the fib for yesterday's highs and yesterday's lows because this range has been very key. Yesterday, that was crazy. I think I clocked out the stream around this area. And it ripped. Like this end of day 150 point pump was crazy. Apple selling off the earnings, even though yesterday had a pop. Same playbook as Microsoft and the Tesla. So the key today is, obviously we got to hold above this Asia low here. Right now we have a higher low on the 15-minute chart. If you look at it, we have a higher low on the 15 minutes. So if you want to draw a pennant of some sort, okay, something like that in the morning, they popped there and reject it so far. Okay, so let's see which way they pop through. Okay, so far they rejected, jammed it up there, right? Straight up jam. This jam was not small. 800, like 100-point jam right there, right here. Boom, 100-point jam. Okay, so now the key will be, okay, this is going to be the point of interest for me today, right? Can they get back above 900? If they cannot, this will be the high for me to short into to possibly target Asia lows here in the 750s and 700s. So, volatility, the ATR is 23. What's going on, Carlos? Yeah, I met those pretty well lately. So, we popped and then rejected so far. The VIX is getting crushed a little bit at 17.
Order filled.
So far about 100-point wash.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Right now, I'm not really zooming in on the candles because I want to see this price action from Asia and from yesterday to help me make a more informed decision. Nice, got one out. I need to see this area here, this congestion here. As long as we stay underneath this 900, it's not going to be good. We got to take out this 900 for the upside, or else we'll be short into it for continuation lower. I'm out. 1100 on this Bonox funded. Boom. Nice. Anybody bought that dip there? Anybody got the dip? Carlos got the dip. The bear got the dip. Nice. Nice.
Order submitted.
Sleepy got it. Avi, Yang, MCC. Austin got it. Nice. Great job, guys. It was a little scary, that's true, Sleepy. I mean, but morning momentum, we need those dips and stuff, so. By the way, guys, if you haven't liked the stream yet, please hit the like. We got 1,000 people at the open. You guys are the OGs. Okay, people trickle in after, but you guys are the OGs. Please go ahead and hit the like button if you haven't already. So right now, if you look at the 4-hour chart, guys, it's trying to hold like some higher lows here. Okay? I'm not overly confident on the long side, to be honest, because yesterday the market wanted to sell, right? They wanted to sell they sold 550 points, pumped at 450. In Asia, sold 300, only to get propped up here in Asia. So I am not overly confident, especially this zone here, this 26,000 zone here. I'm not overly confident. If you look at the daily chart, you know, I mean, can we go green today? We could. A couple of wicks here, but I wonder if it's like, yeah, anyway, I'm not overly confident at the long. It could, I mean, for me to like the long, it'll have to pump above 950, like this zone here, hold above, and then attack this 26,050 here. That's how I would like the long. All right. So right now I'm just waiting, right? It's a waiting game. Trading is a waiting game. A little bit on silver, back up to 99. All right, so far they couldn't take out the spot here. So they rejected again, guys. Underneath 920, be careful with your longs, okay? Do some scalps, you may do some scalps, but okay, they rejected twice here again. Okay? So far the ATR is 28, pretty high. That's right, Fabio. Let's smash some likes, man. So what they could do on a Friday is they chop it around, and then do the move, right? So far we have about 100 point range, right? Doesn't look like it. This 920 to this 820 is 100 point range, okay? But because we have such big volatility yesterday. What may happen to today is that a lot of people like me, we missed the short yesterday. So they may want to try to re-short it back down today. And if they don't do that, they just chop around, they chop all the premiums. Okay, so far we got a 100-point range. Do we take this? In order for me to like the long, I'll tell you how the squeeze happens. Right now, people are still shorting into this. If you want a short squeeze, we got to stay above this 38.2 level, 930. We come up here, hold above 930, we're going to have a squeeze. And possibly revisit the high of yesterday, the breakdown yesterday. Okay, but right now, it's showing that it's rejecting for now. Or we can pump it up here to yesterday's low. I don't even know what it was yesterday. End of day 100, actually end of day 200-point pump here. I don't even know what happened. So if we can hold above this level here, we can retest. And once we get here, I think we're going to balance a little bit. So right now they're trying for it. They're going for it. And how do you know that the market doesn't want to go down just yet? Because you looked at Asia, right? 2 times. Went down, got saved. Went down again and got saved. So this low here in Asia, oh, actually, this is now London here, is pretty important. This was Asia low, London low, both got bought up. 300 points. So someone is propping it up. Whoever it is, I don't know what it is, okay? And it begs the question, why did we sell 550 yesterday? That much just to have it all bought back up. So now they're coming up here, you see? Right now we're jamming up to this level here yesterday. It's also where Asia rejected. So can we get above this 930? If we get above this 930 and hold here and won't break down, we're going to attack this yellow line here. So you're short NQ 859. I hope you have a plan. I mean, it's 80 points against you right now. So hope you have a plan. Tesla yesterday had the news and then got faded. Right now, 5-minute looks like a downtrend break. 50-minute looks like a possible downtrend break to go to the upside. Okay. Okay, let's see what they do here. Remember, look, pull out the chart, guys. Don't zoom in. I know some of you guys do this. You go like this. You're like, oh, it's breaking out, bro. It's breaking out. I'm gonna buy. Okay, that may be the case. But I want you to go like this. Zoom it out to yesterday's action here. And with Asia. And with London. Look at this area here. Okay? Look at this area. What's going on? We're just in the middle of the range. We're in no man's land right now. Okay? Yesterday, we sold off hard. Straight down 550. Popped it all the way up almost 450. And now we're in this chop zone. Okay? So make sure you zoom out. And look at this action here. We're just in range right now. Okay? Right, Adrian? I'm gonna buy. You see me? Like, if you literally, I was talking about like right here. I'm gonna buy. And now it's down 30 points. Okay, you gotta zoom it out. Carlos, buy. What, you saying buy already at 942? You jetting? Big gap on SLV, on silver. So, all right. So far, came up. Oh, accidentally moved the fib. Got to readjust it back to the right. Okay. They jammed it up to this 930 into this zone here, right? Got rejected so far. That's the piece of the puzzle we're dealt with right now. Okay, that's the piece of the puzzle. It's the second time. We jammed up once, jammed up twice. Okay, so if you buy, right there, I told you guys to zoom out, right? If you're gonna buy here, that's 50-point downside. Okay. You must make it up on the fly. Open multiple charts with multiple time frames, Cody. That's correct. I have the 5-minute on this side here. I have the 15-minute, hourly, 4-hour, and daily on NQ. And I got the overall broad markets. Apple selling off right now. Tesla barely holding. Microsoft barely holding. So a lot of these sectors, overall sector right now is not very, very bullish. Okay, SMA trying to push a little bit. Nvidia kind of strong, somewhat. Financials okay. I feel like after a big move yesterday, they're gonna try to just do some balancing. Okay, they're gonna whip people around. Oh, I think what they're gonna do is today, right? They went down because those who missed the short yesterday, like this at the open, they're like, okay, let's short it back down. They rip them up, and then they're like, okay, fine, we're gonna go breakout, and then they take it back. I think they're gonna whip it around a little bit, guys. Okay, they're gonna whip it around, so don't get ripped around. Don't randomly click buttons. If you want to click the like button. We got 1,300 people on the stream right now. How many likes do we have right now? If you guys like the stream, like Train Together, please go ahead and hit the like button. Okay, share the love. Share the stream, right?
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Today I'm not having issues with Ninja. Ninja is okay for me today. You're not logging in for some reason? I don't know. Try restarting it. Try restarting it.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
I will rotate. This is a brand new funded on Bunox, so I will rotate to other.
Order submitted.
I'll rotate to the second one if needed. But my first entry here, I'm comfortable. Even if it gets blown up, I'm looking for some rubber bands.
Order filled.
So if they go straight down here, I'll rotate to another account. This one will get blown up. I'm willing to rotate on the first entry here. What's going on, John? Good to see you.
Order filled.
Boom.
Order filled.
One more, trailing the last one.
Order canceled. Order filled.
Boom, 1,100. On another second fund at 2 out of 2. Let's go. Nice. Rotation. If I didn't rotate my account, I'll be spitting bullets down here, man. If I had like 12, let's say 20 accounts down here, one down move, it would have blown everything. But because I was willing, as I told you, my mindset, I was telling you, I'm willing to rotate the second fund down here, I was able to hold. Right? I didn't know it was going to pop. The other gurus will tell you, all right, everybody, right here was the double bottom, and that's why I walked, and it went up. Simple as that, guaranteed. Okay, I'm not going to do that, okay? Because I have no idea. I didn't know if it was going to pop or not. I have no idea. I knew, this is what I knew though. If it came all the way down here, probably gonna get a snap back up. I'll have the second account step in to get that pump. I didn't know it was gonna pump. Okay, so. Dude, your voice. Next account. You see? That's why I have to take it, guys. If you don't take it, what just happened, right? If they go all the way down and you don't take it, now can it rip back up? Of course. But I locked in 1100. Now I'm gonna rotate to another account. And if that account gets blown up, guess what? This account already banked. This is why rotation is so important, guys. Right? If it goes straight up rip, okay, no problem. I locked in 1100. If it goes straight down, okay, great. Now I can involve another account. Right? So. What's going on, JB? You gotta have fun, you know, we're gonna trade, right? So. Would I be profitable if I didn't rotate? I don't think so. Not with the prop game. Obviously, rotation is not the only thing. Some people, you saw me yesterday rotating. Like, rotation only works so much. You saw me like blown 28 evals down here, right? Rotation, just because I kept on rotating, it's not the only strategy. It's not the only thing that works. Some of you think that, oh, rotation, oh, now I'm gonna bank now. I blown 28 evals here and passed like 5 just by being stupid yesterday. Now, that 28 evals only cost me 550 bucks. I locked in 13K of payouts. So 13K minus 500 bucks is not a big deal for me. I'm super net green. But the point is just rotation alone is not going to do anything, because I rotated 28 accounts and it all got blown up down here. Okay, so you have to know how to rotate, when to rotate, and rotate it properly, right? So, JB, you made 1,500 payout profit on pro. Nice, great job, man. I'm already out of the long, so great job on those of you guys who took it.
Order submitted.
Great job, guys.
Submitted.
ATR 30, that's right. Trader blessed. Basketball for Take Profit Trader, there's no consistency on unfunded. That's why they're the #1 prop firm. I literally locked in, I think, I requested 21K in the past, just this week. 21K on Take Profit alone. After 90 split, one account was an 80 split, one account was a 90-10 split. So I think I'm netting something like, even on this Pro Plus account, I didn't even know. Somehow I got $3,000 profit, and then it says it liquidated me, and then I still have $3,000 in profit. I don't even understand how that works with Pro Plus. It's very, very confusing, but anyway. The good thing with the Pro accounts is even you got upgraded to Pro Plus, and once you blow your Pro Plus, they still pay you on your Pro profits, which is great. So you kind of like double dipping. I really like it, man. They're #1 prop firm for that reason. Like, it's a live account. The only thing is with my trading style, I'm so aggressive, I lose accounts, right? So for me to lock in at 13K, I lost like, I think I lost three Pro Plus. 2 of them made money. But hey, even if I reset it 3,000, I'm still very net green. So I really like Take Profit, man. I think I'm just gonna stay with Pro Plus. And I mean, right now they still have 40% off, no activation fee. Use the code FSP, right? You can. In the beginning, you won't go on Pro Plus. I stuck with the Pro for a long time. Even for those of you guys, I know in the payout section, you guys are locking in just the Pro payouts, and they're nice, right? So, J-Hill, another 4.5K after profit split with Tradeify. Rinse in his Tradeify Select every 5 days. Nice. Well done, J-Hill. Make sure you post in the payout section, see if you guys got a payouts, okay? Yo, BP, what's going on, man? Yes, I trade Apex and Tradeify with this strategy. Brandon, on Take Profit on funded accounts, there is no consistency. No consistency at all. You can make $1 million on the Pro Plus. Literally. Obviously, super hard to do. Non-income guarantee. Most likely, most people can't do it, but the rules allow it because it's a real brokerage account. They put you on real brokerage. That's why you gotta sign all these docs, right? All these documents. Takes a long time because they give you a real brokerage account, right? All right, guys. So they're doing what we talked about, doing the chop, right? Up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay. Yesterday, like the people who missed the short, they want to short it, get taken up, buy the breakout, come back down.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order
Beware of one hard swipe. Same thing I did here, same thing here. If they go straight down and this thing blows up, I'm going to rotate my other fund here. Okay? Always know what's possible. If they go straight down and they take me out, no harm, no foul. I already prepared for that mentally. The reason why we take losses is because, like, we don't have a contingency plan, right? It's like, oh, I full ported everything. I copy traded 20 accounts. It has to work. Whenever you tell yourself it has to work, like whenever you hear yourself say things like, NQ has to go to 26,000 today. Okay, then you're like pretty much doomed to lose that trade. Literally. Like don't put yourself in that situation. K-Rap Trader, after 8 months of trading prop firms and 3 months of praying and watching and learning from FSP, I just requested my first 1,500 payout. Nice! K-Rap. Yo, post in the payout section. Let me give you a badge. Well done, man. Non-income guarantee. Okay. Trading is hard, but some of you guys make it, and I'm really happy for you guys. So, really happy for you guys.
Order submitted.
Oh, Carlos, you shorted? Nice. $10K and one funded. Slee, let's go, man. Well done. Still in the middle range here. Yeah, no man's land. Bulls are not letting it go so far. Yeah, I mean, we're just trading mid-range, you know, so.
Order filled.
Nice. Give me one more pop, man. What's going on, Joya? The VIX is getting crushed at 17.26. But the 5 minute doesn't look too hot here. Be careful of one hard swipe down. I still have one more contract. I have room to adjust. Be careful of one hard swipe down that looks like this. Okay? Be careful of that. I'm looking for one more pop, but if it doesn't do that, be careful of that one hard swipe. I'm still holding my contract for the pop, but I know what's possible. But if we can go boom, come out here, we'll squeeze. Do we have any news today? No news today. 9:45 already PMI, Chicago.
Order submitted. Order filled.
What's going on, Jim? Good morning, man. Good morning.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
I'm gonna get out for now. Just chopping around here. 5 minute doesn't look too hot here, guys. Locking to 300. That's why I got out. That's why I got out. There's a swipe, guys, that we talked about. There's a swipe.
Order filled. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order filled. Order canceled. Order canceled.
Didn't come low enough for me to add, so
Order submitted.
yeah, if they can defend the 780 level, this is the like pre-market chop here, this block here, this 780-ish, 760 zone here. Let's see if they can defend this. If they can defend this, we can do a big push back up. We got the swipe that we talked about from here, right? I got out the long here, we added down here. Silver coming down pretty hard.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Let's go. Come up here. Don't be shy.
Order
I'm gonna take it. 930. I was almost at 1,000. I was like, you know what? It's a brand new account. I want to put a little bit more in it.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Silver 97. Massive rejection there, man. I was hoping that the little dip and then pop back, but let's see if they can hold still here. If we can do an inversion, but if we fail underneath this 880, it's gonna be bad. Yeah, pretty big rejection. But I think the 780 zone, it's not gonna be that easy. I mean, look, pull the chart out. Look at this. It's not going to be too easy. I mean, we could break it with one candle. So we get negative 25% of silver. Isn't it already negative 20% or something like that? Man, that 5 minute is looking really bad here. Come on, invert it back up, man. They could be doing a bear trap here, guys. Careful. If they invert this thing here, we go all the way back up to 900, 920. That's why I'm holding on my long. But, you know, who knows?
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order filled.
All right, 1,200. 3 out of 3 on the funded accounts. Let's go. Let's go. Nice. Nice.
Order canceled.
You see that, guys? You see that inversion? That's why I held onto my long. You see that? I said, anybody got this dip here? I told you guys, if this 780 is going to be pretty hard to break. And we're going to send it up here. And I mean, I clocked it out here, but I knew I didn't want to short here. That's for sure. G-Corn got it. Jalen, I closed a little early too, but I got 1,200. I wouldn't complain. Austin got it. Wayne, nice. Great job, guys. Steve, great job. Jimbo, Academy, Genga. Nice. Guys, that's why I told you guys this morning, don't go like this. I look at the charts you guys post. It's a $5 increments, and it's like, I'm like, what am I looking at? You guys are like this, oh, green candle, bah, bah, bah. But it's like, go and zoom it out here like this. What is the market currently doing? Like, zoom out the levels, right? It's not going to be easy. They defended it for a reason, right? They defended this level for a reason. So, nice. Great job, guys. Guys, make sure you go and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Okay? If you like trading together, all I'm asking, you know, every day for this free stream, which I'm not charging you, these other gurus are doing some $200-300 a day or a month or something, right? Just click the like, right? Click the like. Of course, if you want to go overboard, right? You want to support me, use my code FSP to buy your prop firm accounts. You'll get the maximum discount, okay? And won't cost you anything extra. Okay. And you get the maximum discount. So thanks for support. All right, let's do another one here. So far ranging, guys. Ranging up and down, up and down. From here, 810, we ripped it up 100 points. 100. Unbeatable, you got me. Thank you. Appreciate that.
Order submitted.
Just ranging, guys. So far today, ranging. Okay? Nothing crazy. Don't buy the breakout, short the breakdown. Okay? Today, 3 trades so far, 3 funded accounts, 3 over $1,100 each. That's a great day. Be content. Okay? Lock it in. If you got a payout, make sure you post it in the payout section. Okay? You're crushing with micro in this range? Nice. Guys, if we have one candle pop here, one candle pop and hold above 920, we can go for this 26,000 today. Right now, if they don't go below 860. Okay, I don't know if they will or not, they may. Okay, this is still pretty volatile.
Order submitted.
But if we can hold above this 860 and we don't break below here. Right now, the bears who shorted here, let's say they added, they're looking for a full reject, which could happen. Which could happen. Okay. But if they hold above this 1 minute block here, we possibly have an inverted head and shoulder, shoulder, head, shoulder. Okay. So let's see if they hold above or if they break below. If they break below, this account get hurt. Won't be the first day. Okay. That some accounts get hurt. If you think we're going down, obviously you short it. There it is. There's a tap. Fill the limit order.
Order submitted.
That's why you cannot go chase the breakout, guys. Look how much a better entry I had down here. Just because I waited.
Order filled.
Boom, I'm out. 940. One contract. 4 out of 4 funded green. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Hit my limit. The plan beforehand. Right? Not, oh, I'm going to go buy now, bro. Oh, it looks green, this candle. Oh, I'm going to go buy, guys. No. That up here, I'm like, guys, if we can pull back, I'm looking for inverted head and shoulder. Do I know for sure? I have no idea. I have no idea if it's going to work, but I tried it. I had a plan. I had a plan, right? Inverted head and shoulder. I got it. And I'm out. Biggie, what's going on, man? Anybody got this dip here? 860? Man, we got 60 points, man. I'm out. I normally do 15, 20 points. I mean, I got 40 points here. One contract, 940, and you're not going to take it? I don't know what else to tell you. I mean, this is a funded account, man. So, ATR is 34 right now, guys. ATR is 34. Make sure you size down. 4 out of 4 funded accounts. Nice day, green day. Boom. Nice. Wacko got it. Siri got it. Austin got it. Ranger got some of it. Nice. I mean, there's money to be made on both sides. Carlos banked on the short this morning, right? And then we banked on the long and so forth. So that's nice, right? Bows and bears can win. Bows and bears can win. Stretch got the long. Nice. Mr. Avadano, I like that. You're the sheep. Not the sheep of the public, but sheep to the great shepherd. First time someone said it, not the goat. I like people not saying like the goat thing, so. The sheep to the great shepherd is much more preferred. I appreciate that. If at the end of time, the great shepherd comes and he calls out to me in Matthew 25. Come you sheep. You know, come and inherit the kingdom I prepared for you before the foundation of the world. That'll be great. That'll be great. Mark Langley, did you get the long, bro? Did you get it? Guys, right now they're balancing, okay? You can tell. Yesterday, a lot of people missed. I mean, I missed it, right? Yesterday, some of you guys and Carlos, you guys banked hard on the long or on the short. I blew 28 evals down here, right? But I got 5 pass. But yet today, people are like, oh, let's take it back down. Let's take it back down. We're gonna hit it hard, okay? And so guess what? Guess what the market does today, okay? The market doesn't give it to you easy. They don't let you expect what's going to happen, right? And so they're chopping around. And so they're like, oh, let's buy puts, right? The guys are like, oh, it's breaking down. It's going back to the lows, bro. So what does it do? The premium, chop up the premiums, right? You buy the puts down here, boom, 50% gone if you do 0 DTEs. 50% gone, 0 DTEs. On this move here, if you don't trade 0 DTEs, you probably don't know. But if you trade 0 DTEs and you bought the put down here on this rip, it's down 50%. Okay? So, at least negative 30 or something like that. Like, let's say you bought, I don't know, like a $4 premium. On this push, it's like $3 or $2.50, something like that. I'm talking like, obviously, you got more time behind it. It's different. Right? And as the day progresses, the premium decay is going to be so much more worse.
Order canceled.
So, Eric, bro, thank you. FSP. No problem, man. You're the one who executed. Don't thank me. This is just all entertainment, guys. This is an entertainment stream, guys. Somehow, this entertainment got me 4 green accounts. I like that. Don't follow my trades, guys. Don't follow my trades. You saw at some points I was red on those trades. Okay? It's just all entertainment. If you somehow traded and you got similar trades and you banked, good job on executing. Okay, but I highly suggest you do not follow me. I'm not a financial advisor. Don't copy my trades. I'm serious. I'm not even kidding. You see me blow accounts all the time. You're plenty entertained, Mike. You cut your options yesterday expecting it. There you go. Nice. Carlos wants to do it again today. Yeah, ATR in 5 minutes 54 on a 1 minute chart 31. So ATR is pretty big. Guys, remember what we talked about. If we hold about 860, we stay above this 920. Remember what we talked about this morning. We pump through 930. We hold above. This zone here is what they're going to go after. And we're only at 1017. Now, if right now is 11 o'clock, I would say probably less likely. But it's 1017. Another 40 minutes to go. If we use the morning momentum, they put the people on the wrong side down here. All they got to do is rip it up here. One candle. Boom. Come back. Retest. Hold. Hold above this 900 zone. Right. Boom. Hold 900 zone. Once we do that, pull out the chart. I talked about this so many times today. Pull it out. Where's it going to head to? The squeeze here. Okay. Now, if they don't get up and they reject again, then the inverse is true. Okay. If we come up here again, or let's say we sweep, instant reject down here, then you know this will be the nail in the coffin right here. Okay, so I mean, it's minute by minute. Sometimes you guys, I don't know, you think it's like, I thought you said it was long, bro, and now it's like down. Yeah, because the market changed. You got to react to the price action. Yep, look above and fail, right? Or sweep and reject. That's what I call it. So same thing. Fear and greed index is at 59. Not super greedy, but it's according to the index. And they use different things to measure that, like put call ratios. The VIX is down pretty much 16.96. So Jumam, what's the best way to time entry? Buy dip sell rips. Rotate the accounts. Now, buy dip sell rips doesn't work on straight down days. That's why yesterday, like this, it didn't work. I only traded evals yesterday while on the stream. Okay, at the end of the day, I did trade some funded. I did get a whole bunch of green, but when it goes straight down, that's not my style. But when it whips back and forth, I do well. That's why I gotta know my style. You gotta know your style, right? When it whips back and forth like this, I do great. But on trend days, straight up or straight down, I don't like those days because that's not my style. But you kind of have to recognize what kind of trader you are and just kind of go from there. Man, I wanted to buy silver at like when they dipped down to the 90 897-ish level, but I got scared. I didn't do it. I was gonna do it in my Pro Plus, but I'm like, I just got that Pro Plus. One dip is gonna blow the account. I got scared and I didn't do it. And that one point that would have been like a 12k 15k payout, but I got scared. As long as they hold above A60 and they don't crack this A60 level, I think there's a chance to target this 960, 980. Okay, but the longer it rejects here and it doesn't pump, the less and less I like it. I'll attempt to long it still, but I would have liked it for it to poke up here already and start holding this area. But they're still rejecting the zone here, so I'm liking it less and less. Or though above A60, I'm still gonna attempt it. Because they tried multiple times here and they failed and they couldn't get higher.
Order submitted.
Man, just missed my fill there. Nvidia pumping. Tesla pumping a little bit. Microsoft weak. Apple got a little dip buyer going on this morning. I literally missed my fill right here. Now if I buy it here and they dump it.
Order submitted.
Yo, bro. Are you serious?
Order filled.
Alright, let's see.
Order submitted.
Guys, don't follow this trade here. This thing can go straight down. Okay? I'm willing to rotate. I have accounts to rotate. Do you have accounts to rotate? If you don't,
Order filled.
don't just blindly follow this.
Order submitted.
Tesla booming, that's right. Held 422s this morning, pushed 10 points to the upside. Can't trade micro silver. I don't know. I'm not trading micro silver. I'm trying to. I just do the minis. Not for the faint of heart, that's for sure. If they go straight down, make sure you have accounts to rotate. Okay, make sure you have accounts to rotate if they go straight down. Anyone eating steak tonight? I had steak last night.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, little swipe. Averaged in. Got a better entry.
Order submitted.
A little weak here. Just gotta get back up. You want 800? It could get there, man. If it doesn't pop here, we get there. So I'm waiting for the pop. May have to can this if it doesn't pop. ATR 29, still pretty high. Watch out for a swipe down, guys.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Yeah, it's arranged until it's not, right? So silver rejecting the 100 level here. Right now 98. It could see lower. Watch out for the swipe, guys.
Order filled.
All right, getting ready to rotate. Getting ready to rotate. Have my drop down ready. All right, rotating.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
I gotta trade down this one. Let me rotate to another one. One more swipe down. I will do another one. Maybe down here.
Order submitted.
Still looking for some
Order
chop.
canceled.
Are we gonna go back up? Then I'm gonna rotate back to the one I rotated out from.
Order filled.
All right, downsize 2 on this one. Didn't get blown up. Didn't get blown up because I gave myself some room. Okay. Tesla ripping here.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Yeah, Tesla big pump. With that news from yesterday. QQ bear hammer. Interesting.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, if they don't hold this zone here and we crack below 760, watch out for 700. So this account may have to be sacrificed. Let me do the next one.
Order filled.
All right, rotate it next. That one's probably gonna be toasted. So underneath 860, I'm gonna wait a little bit. Right now they're liquidating a little bit. Okay, so I'll have that account toasted. That's fine. I'm not gonna long this one here. Okay, I gotta wait for something here. Great job, Carlos. Great job, man. From 940, we went to 780 here, so 140 points. I'm gonna wait for this rotated account. I'm not gonna long it here because this does not look too good. Unless we pop back up here 840, then this may be the temporary low. Okay, but we need a forceful. It doesn't look like they're gonna pop here, so I'm not gonna long here. Unless we get a big candle back up here, then we know that we're back in range. But right now it looks like it went brick lower, so I'm not gonna long here.
Order filled. Order filled.
This account got saved again.
Order filled.
All right, just gonna lock in a small $400 loss here. I thought it was gonna get blown up with a hard drop, but it got saved. So I'm gonna wait for a better opportunity. If we come all the way back up here, we're gonna balance. If we reject this level and we go lower, we're gonna break below. So let's see what they do here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Struggling to get back up here.
Order filled.
Still rejecting. They're not pumping. If they want to balance back to the upper range, they got to get to 820, 830. Okay. If they cannot get to that, they're probably going to reject and go lower. They're still struggling. I don't know what spot gamma is. I'm a pretty straightforward trader. Like, I don't look at a lot of different indicators and stuff. I mean, I can probably be a better trader if I look at book maps, you know, like order flow and stuff like that. But, you know, I haven't taken the time or, you know, or whatever you call it. Why did it not? Boom! Woo! That was not easy for this account, man. Almost got blown out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 6 funded green today. Woo! Man, that was not easy, man. I was willing to rotate to another account. I was willing to not long it, but when it couldn't go, okay, we're back in the balance, guys. Back in the balance. Man, that was not an easy hold, man. Okay, 100 points again. There you go. This market. Woo! It's not news, just like the ATR, right? So guys, the 780, remember this morning I talked about? I said it's going to be pretty hard to break below the 780, right? Look, anybody heard this morning? I said, guys, the 780 is going to be pretty hard. But if we break below 760, then we're going to go down hard. But we held again. So, nice. Anybody got the long here? I sold pretty quick here, man. I mean, I sold. Actually, I didn't sell that quick. I think I got at least 50 points there. So, though I got the long, nice. Well, Carlos, you got the short here, right? You got the short from here to here. Now that was our turn to get the long there. So, Mr. E got it. Bowhunter got some long. Ranger, no, that's fine. 403 funded. Avi, well done, man. CD rolled all the way up. I mean, guys, this is 100 points. If you don't take 100 points, I don't know what else to tell you.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Big volatility, guys. Big volatility.
Order submitted.
Make sure you size properly and have accounts to rotate. Okay. From 793 to 876. Nice. Well done, Terry. $33 ATR, that's right. Very large ATR. That's why I gotta size down. If I didn't size down this morning, I would have blown so many accounts. That account was negative 1,800 on Boonux. It's a funded account. I was willing to rotate. I wouldn't keep on catching with another account. But I took one, and then when it looked like it held, add another one, got back a better average, and so you gotta give yourself some room, guys. I mean, you saw me, right? Like today, many trades, momentary, I'm red, and I'm willing to lose the account. To rotate, not just randomly blown accounts, but at certain key levels. Even down here, I told you guys, I'm not gonna long down here unless we pop back up and get back in range, right? Did we pop back in range? We did, and so now I'll do it again. I did have one account here, got it out here, and got that account back green. So if we invert this, this looks like a rejection candle. If we invert it, we come up to 920. This probably be the low of the day, and we pump up here. So if we can get back up to this 920. I think we're going to go to this 960 mark. Because we have retested it twice. We got bear trap twice here.
Order filled.
Boom! Another funded. 7 out of 7 green. Let's go.
Order canceled.
Nice. Nice. You got that dip too, Ranger? Well done, man. Guys. John B, you like the commentary? Glad you like it, man. Guys, entertainment only. Don't copy my trades. I'm serious, okay? Any manual review or whatever, okay? This is just entertainment only. No financial advice. I'm serious. I'm not a financial advisor. Don't copy my trades. You see me get red all the time. Don't copy my trades, okay? If you got green today, good for you. Okay, great job. That's right, JB. It is not a trading channel. Trade your own strategy. Your entries and number of contracts may vary. Okay. All right. Cool. Nice. 7 out of 7 funded accounts green. I like that. It's 10:40 now, guys. 10:40 now. Okay. So we probably have printed the approximate range of today. Can we get some kind of news and all of a sudden it tanks or all of a sudden it rips? Absolutely. Anything is possible in trading. Okay. But trading is about probabilities. Okay. So if you're like DJ here in sarcasm going full port Friday, I don't know. Like if you full port down here in the short and it goes up here, and then you full port long here and it goes down here, and then you short it full port here and it goes back up. So that's going to be a little rough. Okay. So Tesla still pumping on that news on the merger with AI and SpaceX there. So low strength there. Meta, Facebook selling off after the yesterday gap up. Yeah, risk management not to blow on one trade. So guys, I think we're gonna pop. I think they're gonna pop in here, and I think they're gonna hold above 860. This inversion here, if they hold above this 860, they're probably. I think they're gonna use. They're gonna like have like an offside candle. Offside candle is when it's like this. This is an offside candle, right? They boom. They put people on the wrong side, right? Put people on the not the offside. I don't know what we call it, but boom, get up here, hold, right? Defend this 860. I think we go to this 980, even 26,000 today. I think they're gonna try to go for this level here. Maybe just balance. Come back under this range and then balance. So if you're still holding short, I mean, we can reject, right? But this inversion candle is the tell. This inversion candle is the tell. As long as we hold above this inversion 840, okay, the bears won't be bailed out. I think we're gonna punch through here, hold here. I could be wrong, guys. Could be absolutely wrong. Okay, so don't just full port here because FSP says we're gonna go to 26,000. I have no idea. This morning, all 7 trades, I had no idea whether I was gonna go green on those trades. But I put on risk. I gave myself room to adjust, to add. Right, bought the dip, sold the rips. Willing to rotate, and I did rotate on one account, right? I had no idea. Any gurus telling you, I know for sure this is the inverted fair value gap of the 4-hour, and this is this and that. Maybe it worked that time, but no one knows for sure in trading what's gonna happen. Okay.
Order canceled.
All right, silver back up 99. Right, at least after 50. Today's payout request day. You only need a trade of at least $50. Quick in and out. There you go, fight. There you go. What a trace, right? Down here, 780 all the way back up. So, look at the 5-minute. Look at the 5-minute. Right, looking like it wants to break out of here. I'm not gonna buy up here, but I think they're gonna do something like boom, boom, and then hold. Boom, hold, chop, 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 chop. Maybe some wash. Boom again. So we'll see. As long as you hold above this inversion here.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Viking, another payout. Well done, man. Small daily payouts. Today pending from. All that's up. Yesterday bigger and one's got approved. God is great. Well done, man. 1,000, 300, 200. Those are not small payouts, man. They all add up. Non-income guarantee. Not everyone can do this, but well done, Viking somewhere. Guys, if you got the payouts in, recently took one, make sure you go post in the payout section. How many of you guys have taken a payout this week? How many of you taken a payout this week so far? Anyone? Just trying to pass your first funded PY. There you go. Penguin got it. Maine. Kristen, first one. Congrats, Kristen. Kel, nice, Kel. X90. Kel, post the payout post in the payout section. X19. Oh my, lots of you guys. SB 6K this week, Badal. Nice. Non-income guarantee, guys. Trading is hard. A lot of people don't get the payouts, but some of you guys do. So, great job, guys. You took 2, waiting on approval. JFlow. Got it, bro. JB Monday, well, nice. Treble trade another few days. Another 8 days. You get approved. If you don't break the rules. Bull Hunter, Ting 5K. Lots of you guys. Yo, guys, make sure you post it in the payout section in the Discord if you have already, okay? Let me give you a badge and so forth. So. You passed the take prop trader 50K for the first time. Nice, Adar. About done, man. Nate got his second one on Monday. Nice. Your projection 26,000. Yeah, I talked about it earlier today. So, I think. I think they're going to pop it into the 940s right now. 940s, 960s. And then let's see if they hold. Right now, the 5 minute is looking really squeezy. If I'm short here, I'm about to cover my short. I'm not short right now. But if I'm short, I'm looking at the 5 minute, I'm looking at the 1 minute. Like, I'm about to close my short. But I'm not short right now. On the contrary, if somehow they break below this inversion candle here, boom, back down, comes up and can't hold, then we go down. But I think that's less likely, considering that we're still holding above it. There we go. There we're going for the 940, guys.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
Probably won't film me there. Pop. I'm looking for pop. Pull. I'm going to long that pull. I need a pop first. Give me the offside candle, man. One offside candle, boom. And then the pull, I want to see that. Digital Meeks, what's going on, man? It's been a while. How you been? Ramon Soto, you made a payout 6 times in 2 months since I took your course. One account at a time. It was 1 year. It was one a year and one every 2 weeks. Well done, Romo Solo. I'm glad the course was able to help you. Guys, rewatch the course. I know you guys have the course. Some of you guys just like watch it one time. I put a lot of time effort in the course, right? So make sure you watch, especially Module 8 with the revamp, right? It's all the technical analysis in there. So if you want my course, go to FSPFUTURES.com, okay? And put in your name, put in your email, and then on the next page, you'll see this here. It breaks down the full curriculum here, what you're going to get, some of the payouts I have, the results other people have. And if you want my course free, you can buy 10 Take Profit accounts with my code FSP, and you'll get my course free. Right? If you're going to buy them anyway, you use the code FSP, you get maximum discount. Might as well use my course or use my code and get my course free, right? Now, this will cost you about $1,000. If you don't want to do that, you can buy directly. Scroll down here, right? You click on it, brings you to the next page. You can get it for $247, okay? And then once you're in, go to module 3.2. If some of you guys are wondering, how did I rotate my account today? How did I rotate my accounts today? Module 3.2, I give you an Excel sheet. Okay, and the Excel sheet shows you how I rotated my accounts today. Right? So, module 3.2 2, making a PA roster, which is this sheet here. You go here, you scroll down, you click on this link here, which takes you to the PA roster here, and it shows you how I rotate my accounts. So some accounts sacrifice so others can go green, right? And then Module 8, technical analysis, right? Looking at the 8.3, the key reversal zones. We talk about all the time the three criteria I look for, and that's how you get the boxes that day in and day out we talked about, right? So if you don't have the course, go to FSPFUTURES.com. Okay. Yeah, Nvidia is very strong, man. 194 right now, pumping straight up. It's pumping. And Tesla is also pumping as well. 438. Big pump. Right now the market is ranging. 5-minute chart looking a little toppy here. Couldn't get through. Couldn't get through this 940 here.
Order canceled.
Stuffed into the 38.2 fib multiple times. This 930 zone. We gotta break through. We don't break through, we come back down in balance. Stuffed into it 1, 2, 3, 4 times stuffed into it. That's why I didn't want to buy this breakout. I wanted to poke through and retest, but I didn't do it. So
Order submitted. Order submitted.
silver, lots of side chop today.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Nice.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Stopped out.
Order canceled. Order filled.
Try it again.
Order submitted.
Back in range. No breakout.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Silver come down.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
You left the runner for the short? Cool.
Order filled.
All right, just gonna take a small gain on this one. I don't want to blow this account. This is not good on the 1 minute. Small gain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 out of 8 green. And let me try to do another one here.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Range day. Members are killing it in the payout section, right? Look at that. The Aziz last year was rough, but I got my first payout 2026. Well done, Aziz. Gonna give you a badge here. Let's see here.
Order filled.
AR. Locking in some about like 10K there. I gotta get up your batch of 50K, man. Well done. Non-income guarantee is what some of you guys have done.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Brought it back in range. 100-point sell.
Order submitted. Order filled.
All right, entering lunchtime, guys. 11 o'clock. So make sure, you know, they're going to chop it around here. They're going to bring in, they already brought in range. So they're going to chop it around that range.
Order filled. Order canceled.
Yeah, they're starting to just chop and contract, right? Into Friday, you know, we got the morning up and downs, and so now they're just chopping around. Okay. The 15-minute, yeah, not looking too hot either.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
The E-shaped volume profile? What does that mean? Consolidation? Okay. Tesla pulling back a little bit. Apple still weak from the morning. Silver cracking lower a little bit. Still chopping around here. Dollar's getting stronger. I mean, it got crushed recently. It was down to like 1.34 or something like that.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
2 p.m. news. I don't see anything. Trump in policy meeting. 11, like a Fed speaker.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled.
See this chop, guys, today? You see this chop? Like, if you're like, it looked like it was gonna break down, but I held it because I know they're ranging today, right? If I try to short the range, like the range day, then range day are best to buy dip, sell ribs, short pops, cover drops, right? If I give myself some room and I expect them to kind of range in a certain section, then you know, it's best to just size down, give yourself some room, and let it range, right? If it comes all the way down here, okay, well, okay, I'm gonna try to do the range, right? Trump already announced the Fed chair this morning. The market didn't have too big of a reaction. In fact, a little bit negative reaction, if you say. Pretty weak silver today. Gold also doing like selling every pop kind of action. So, unfortunately, they got me out of my put spreads, which would have worked really well today. But it is what it is. It is what it is. I was like literally 1, 2, 3 for 4 days early. 4 days early, so.
Order filled.
If silver can just crash like sub 95 fast and go to the 90s real quick, man, I would look for a bounce play. But right now it's just still like sell the pop kind of deal. Pop drop, so. Just past 100K. Count, nice. Well done, man. Not looking too hot here on the 5-minute or the 1-minute chart. Went up, rejected again. Not looking too hot.
Order filled. Order submitted.
That's not so much. You made me learn so much in the past 2 months. Thank you. No problem, man. I'm glad I'm able to assist, you know. You see me take red trades all the time, green trades, red trades, right? All part of a training. Best schedule speak right now. Okay. Silver about to crack that pre-market double bottom there. So watch out for that.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order canceled. Order filled.
I said entering lunchtime, not actual lunchtime, right? So silver is about to crack the pre-market lows here, or it could do a double bottom. Just ranging day, guys. Silver cracking below.
Order filled.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
Next spot will be 95.11.
Order filled.
Lots of slow grind down here, guys.
Order submitted.
Back in the range. Lower end of the range. Do we go back up or do we break the low today at 11:18? Anything's possible. Anything's possible. All right, rotating. I'll rotate to this guy here. Rotating.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Back to the lower end of the range. Do we hold or do we fold here? Metals are rolling over right now. Index also not too strong here. Dollar climbing up. Yeah, metals come down. So I'm gonna see. I want to see whether silver hold this. If it doesn't hold this, $940, 150 points grind down so far.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
right, things are selling off here. 940, 180 points.
Order filled.
Took loss. That took a long time. So faked everybody out, everything. So underneath 800s, I'm gonna look for some shorts now. Okay, guys. So they bagged everybody here. If they pump here underneath 820, this will be my zone to possibly look for a short. Okay.
Order filled.
Let's see if they reject 800. If they reject 800, be careful. But if they pump back up here, we're gonna range.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Then bounce. All right, so if they're sub 760, I'm not going to keep catching this because yesterday they rated it high, stayed below, tested 930 many times, and they couldn't get above. So the longs are not looking good right now, guys. If we don't reclaim 800, the longs are not looking good.
Order filled. Order filled.
What happened to this account here? Yo, trade evade is bugging out again. What? Oh man, they just keep on whipping me out on this account.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, I long it they go down.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Man, my trade evade's bugging again, guys. Be careful with your trades. Trade evade's bugging really hard right now. Like it's not responding.
Order filled. Order filled.
So annoyed. I tried multiple times longing and it goes. I deviated from my strategy today, man. I knew I shouldn't. I thought I was going to continuation. I should have stuck with my strategy. Buy, dip, sell, rips. It worked all day. And should have stuck with it. Just literally deviated from strategy because I tried to long to get me out. Tried to long, invert me back up. Now, after they blow me out, now they reject. So,
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
yeah, silver cracking. To be honest, I was distracted with silver. I'm trying to go for a take profit pro plus trade, and I neglected this trade here. That's why I got frustrated because I'm looking for a really panic sell on silver, and I've been looking at it, and I didn't look at NQ. That's a problem because I'm trying to put a trade on pro plus. I couldn't do it yet, And this thing got me offside, so.
Order filled.
He brought it back in range.
Order filled.
Some whips here. I don't know why the market is whipping here.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order canceled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, there's there's a couple wicks here.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Silver coming down pretty hard. $11.38. Probably gonna keep ranging here. They haven't taken it back down. Haven't gone lower, and they're bringing it back up. So probably gonna range. Just thinking they're gonna try to take it lower, but back in the range. Barry blew your account today. You know, take a break. I mean, you know, here I was thinking they're gonna have momentum to the downside. I blew one. Yeah, I blew that account too. So President Trump signs executive order. Watching live. Okay, something live going on there. 93 on silver, man. SLV 85, man. Oh, I took off those spreads literally 4 days early. It's 4 days early on those spreads.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Your Bluetooth refunded was a payout oversized. Sorry to hear that. ATR is still 24 right now. It's still pretty big.
Order filled.
And these candles are not small, right? They're not small candles. So gold and silver, hard drop today.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Well, and then you've been spoiled, right? I mean, prop firms spending money in minutes. I mean, they Tradeify and some other place. I mean, like, we're talking like next day or 2 or 3 days. It used to be like 2 to 3 weeks with Apex. So now a lot of firms got better. Like, just gotta be a little bit patient, man. Like, It's not an ATM machine. You don't go to the bank and then the prop firm just pays you, right? So they gotta.
Order submitted.
You think we see another sweep of lows? We'll see. We'll see.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
So obviously it's lunchtime right now, right? Gonna chop around games. Digital key. So after you request a payout with Apex, you get approved. Once you get approved, payment's usually not that long after.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order canceled.
Lots of whips, guys. ATR still 24, so they're not gonna make it too easy, guys. Lots of whips. Get you out on both sides. These are big candles. From here, we swept up like 60 points to the upside. So
Order filled. Order canceled.
So rejected the 50% of the move yesterday. This is the fib from yesterday. Okay, still haven't moved this fib. I'm gonna move it a little bit closer so we can see here. So we rejected the 50% move of yesterday right here on this fib. Okay, so took the shorts for a ride for 120 points. Yeah, trade light. Don't go crazy on it. Probably gonna rip it around, up down, up down. Monday next week is gonna be a little more interesting because right now they're refusing to break down. Okay. And the market is holding this mid-range again. Remember, we poked above, rejected hard. Now we're back down in this rejection zone. This is not too ultra bullish on the daily chart if you look at it, okay? Because this resistance zone, they poked above, or he calls, this is not really a sweep. It's like break and reject. Okay, so unless we can get back above 26,000 and hold, we may go like grind down, maybe some up, down, and, you know, retest this level here. So far, we have a higher low. So maybe around this 25,300, 500 points lower. Maybe this zone here, see if they continue to support. If not, I think everyone is looking for that correction, right? Like that 10, 15% correction. I think if we can swipe below this low here, 24,000, and actually produce a more like meaningful correction into the 23,000, 22,000, when everybody thinks the AI bubble is popping and all that, like, you know, I think that will be a place where if you're doing long-term stuff, to swing there, it may make more sense, right? So, but the fact that the market looks a little tired, right? Every time it tries to go higher, it just rejects, right? Unless we can obviously reclaim the levels, but so far, it's not looking too hot. Silver 92.
Order filled. Order filled.
Came up here, rejected a 50%. And now we're coming back to the zone here. Okay, it doesn't look too hot here.
Order submitted.
So far, we're still chopping in this range here of Asia and London here. This block here, they won't break below, right? Just kind of holding above. I'm not sure if we have. Well, let's just see. Let me see if we get some momentum back down. Let's see if we revisit this low here. If they're actually going to do something. If they're actually going to break down this time, maybe we get more momentum. But if they come back down and balance and then.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Silver 91. Gold is about to crack that double bottom there. If it does, silver will go down pretty hard too. Great job, Carlos. Great job, man. I shorted here, but I covered because it looks squeezy here. So, I mean.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Silver doing a little hammer here. Straight send up. Silver 92. I think I should lock my profits on this Pro Plus here. Gonna trail it.
Order filled.
Boom! $11,000 payout tonight. Let's go! Man, I'm done, man. Man, I blew one Pro Plus. I was looking for this low here. I was looking for that. And I'm like, man, I gotta try it. I was sweating bullets, man. I was sweating bullets, man. I'm good, man. Another 11K payout. Let's go. Nice. Nice. Oh, actually, you know what? I can't take the entire 11K or else they're gonna blow my account. How much should I leave here? 11,675. Let me think. If I take the entire 11K, which I did with the other two. No, I didn't do 9 contract. I did one contract. One contract down here. One contract gave me 11K. Actually, that's not true. I did a couple of dips here. So I got 3,000 on these dips here. And from here to here, I got about $9,000. Oh, man. I was paying so much attention. I'm like, all right, I need a sweep, sweep. Try it here. Boom, on a pop. I'm out, man. I'm out. Woo. All right, I think I'm good, man. Just lock it in on a good note. Lock it in a good note. And Q, you can chop. You can chop. You can chop. Okay? Don't care anymore. Don't care anymore. And, you know. Loving the Pro Plus. Guys, you gotta get the Take Profit Pro accounts, okay? Maximum pay is 10K per day across 5 accounts. If you don't get Pro Plus, Pro is good as well. So, thanks, JB. Thanks, Carlos. Thanks, guys. So, guys, in trading, learn to end it on a good note, right? And learn to end it on net green. Like, you know, right now, there's a part of me that says, man, 11K, I can use that buffer to make another 11 or even 50K if I full port. And guess what's going to happen? If I do that, I got 11K in buffer. If I do that, and then I go and trade it, and this 11K becomes blown up. You know how that's going to end for my Friday? And how many of you guys have had a Friday that you ended like that? Right? Where you're like, oh, I was up big, bro. I was up big in the morning. I can take a payout tonight. Man, I got 11K in buffer. Let's just go, man. Let's just go and, you know, try to trade it more. You end red, and then your entire Friday is screwed up. Right? So that's right, Trader Bless. Time to pray. Time to walk away. Guys, here's the thing, okay? For today, okay? For today, you see this level. Yesterday, like, that was some crazy pop. Crazy pop, right? The low 550, they sold 550, pop 450, and now we're back into this kind of like mid-range of the pop. It's kind of like no man's land, right? If you buy it, it may pop back up. I mean, it's kind of no man's land. And it's 12 o'clock, right? You don't want to mess up your weekend, right, Ken K? That's right. You don't want to mess up your weekend. So how many of you guys are net green today? How many of you guys are net green? M3, Cornelio, short green. Cal 9 green, nice. Carlos Printon, great job, guys. Ronan Beck Green, JB, Martin, Michelle, went for a walk. Gerlin, Eugene, Top Gun, Black, great job, guys. Well done, guys. Fun green, blue eval. 29K trade props, nice, man. 3 green, Barnick. Great job, guys. So, if you want to trade this shot, buy dip, sell rips, go ahead. I mean, they could do a dirty end of day Friday, go straight down and retouch this yesterday's lows. I'm not gonna be there for that. Okay, you know, like, so if you're net green, lock it in, call it good. Okay, call it good. One term you gotta learn is call it good. How do I get silver data? I have to pay an extra. So on Pro Plus, you have to pay an extra $150 or 170, something like that, for market data, because it's a real live brokerage account, right? And I pay for it. I pay for it. So JB, you walked away with half the green. Nice. One week had passed. Just like that. Some of you feel like it was fast. Some of you feel like it was slow. Some of you are green. And some of you are red. No matter what circumstance, one thing is true. Time never goes back. Everyone have 24 hours a day. How are we using our 24 hours a day? The scripture remind us, Jesus remind us, be on guard, be alert. For you do not know when the time will come. We don't know when the time will come when the Lord Jesus comes back. We don't know when the time will come when our last breath draws on earth. There are many things in life that we do not know when the time will come. Some of you are wondering when that time will come, when your breakthrough comes. When your healing comes, when your providence and abundance comes, and when your wayward children comes back home to the Lord. We are not guaranteed a specific answer in the scriptures. But one thing is for sure. Be on guard. Be watchful. That's all we can do. And the rest, we leave it unto God. We trust Him. So the question today is not, why am I not getting this? Why am I not reaching that? The question today is, am I focusing my attention on what matters? Am I being watchful? For the time is at hand. The scriptures call it, repent, for the kingdom of heaven. As you go into this weekend, may you be encouraged, remembering that the Lord sees you, He cares for you, and He's asking you to walk with Him today, no matter what you're going through. His invite is, come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Rest in Him this weekend, the Holy and Anointed One of Israel, Jesus Christ, Yeshua HaMashiach. He is your guide, He is your source, and He is your hope. Our Father in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread. Forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sinned against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from the evil one. For yours is the kingdom, the power, and the glory forever and ever. Blessed be your holy name, O God, the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. Thank you for caring for us and for loving us and for coming 2,000 years ago, Jesus, to take our place so that we don't have to die in our sins, and we can find life and life eternal in you. God, I pray that you bless every single person in this community. May they find their answer and the source from you. For you never fail, and your promises in the Bible are always yes and amen. And so we rest in your promise today, Lord, and we trust you. So may the Lord bless you and keep you. May the Lord cause His face to shine on you and be gracious to you. And may the Lord turn His face towards you and give you peace. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Have a great weekend, guys. Monday, 9:30, we're going to do it again. Trust God and rely on Him. He will never fail you. Take care, guys. See you on Monday. God bless you, and God bless your family. Shut.
Blessed are the poor in spirit, the kingdom of heaven is theirs. Blessed are the ones who are mourning, they will be comforted there. Blessed are the meek and gentle, the earth will be their reward. Blessed are those who hunger for righteousness, they will be filled by the Lord. find them again. Blessed are the pure in their hearts, they will see God in the end. And blessed are the ones who make peace, they'll be called children of God. Blessed are those who suffer for righteousness, the kingdom is still their home. This is the word of Jesus, spoken on the hill, a kingdom not built by power or will. Heaven comes close when hearts obey. Blessed are we when we live this way, when we live this way, when we are mocked, when we are blamed, when His name brings us pain. We lift our eyes, our hope remains, great reward awaits. Rejoice and be glad, lift up your voice. Heaven has made us its choice. The prophets walked this road before, now we